Welcome to the Midwest Dial Tone Training Sessions. In this video, we will be going over the basic programming changes for the admin web portal. Using your Google Chrome web browser, navigate to portal.midwestdialtone.com and enter your username and password to log in. Click on the Services tab to get to your phone system settings. The settings you have access to and can adjust are extensions, mailbox, phone numbers, ring group, auto attendant, time frame, holidays, call blocking, and hold music. Under the Extensions header, click on Standard. This shows you your list of extensions and a quick glance at some of their settings. Click on the extension number you wish to edit. This is where you can change the extension details, routing and configuration, and outbound dialing rules. Click the Save button to confirm your programming changes. Under the Mailbox header, click Standard. This shows your list of mailboxes and a quick glance at some of their settings. Click on the mailbox you wish to edit. Here, you can adjust the general settings, recordings and greeting, notifications, mailbox options, and advanced settings. Under the phone number header, click Standard. This shows you your list of phone numbers. Click on the phone number you wish to edit. Here you can adjust the general options, caller ID settings, call routing, and features. Click on Ring Group. Select the ring group you would like to edit. Here, you can adjust the general information and what to ring settings. Click on Auto Attendant. Select the auto attendant that you want to edit. Here, you can adjust the general settings, announcement, and button configuration settings. Click on Time Frame. Select the time frame you want to edit. This is where you can adjust the routing settings and your hours of operation. Click on Holidays. To add a holiday, click on New Holiday. Name the holiday and set the date of the holiday that you will be closed for. If you are closed for multiple days, you will need to create an entry for each day that you are going to be closed. Click on Call Blocking. Here is where you can block an incoming or outgoing number. Click New Call Block. Enter the number you wish to block and select inbound or outbound. You can enter a note in the comment section to label why the number is being blocked. Click on Hold Music. Here, you can upload audio files to play when placing someone on hold or park. Select Add Track. Name the track, and click Select File to pick the file you want to upload. Then click Save. On the accounting page is where you can see your transactions, orders, invoices, and make a payment. Here is a list of all your calls. Click on the calendar icon to select the days you'd like to search. Click on Call Type to select the type of call. You can also look at your call data in graph form. On the Settings page, you can edit and create new users. Click on the New User button. Select the role of the user, the user profile. Fill out the general settings for that user. Then under Extensions, assign the primary extension for the user and hit Save. Thank you for watching, and we hope it was helpful. For even more information, you can visit our website at MidwestDialTone.com. To see additional training videos, go to Customer Resources.